Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing visas, Thai visas specifically, and we're discussing insurance in the context of visas. I've had a number of folks ask me, what's the best kind of insurance for Thai visas? Well, I don't mean to sound sarcastic, but for purposes of the immigration process, it's whatever works. It's whatever allows us to go ahead and get the visa. Now, that may not work for you, and we have definitely seen different cases where a person's insurance that they already had was scrutinized, and in most cases it passed scrutiny, although, again, this is circumstantially dependent. The facts of your given case will differ from other people's cases. But the thing to take away from this video is there is no best insurance in the sense of like good or bad, but for the purposes of the immigration process, it's whatever works. If you don't already have insurance coverage for travel purposes, probably a good idea to sort of, if you're trying to come to Thailand under current circumstances using the visa categories that are currently open, probably a good idea to try to get your insurance coverage to fit the requirements, at least initially associated with getting into Thailand via the lawful immigration process, and then thereafter you may want to go ahead and deal with your insurance as you see fit. But at least for getting in, at least initially, you're going to want to go ahead and get an insurance policy that's going to be deemed sufficient by relevant immigration authorities, probably in this case if you're abroad, authorities with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs who administer consular sections at consulates and embassies of Thailand outside of Thailand. But the thing to take away from this video is, again, what's best for you may not be what's best for the next person. And at least for coming in, the best insurance from a Thai immigration standpoint is the insurance that operates to fulfill the requirements set forth by Ministry of Foreign Affairs, CAAT, Thai immigration, so as to allow you entry to Thailand. That's going to be your top priority. Thereafter, you can kind of deal with your insurance matters as you deem necessary, and that may have ramifications for later entry, but that stated, for coming in, the best way to look at it, at least for now, is the best insurance is the insurance that works.